Meet the Rowenta X-Force Flex 14.6, a cordless stick vacuum that redefines cleaning efficiency. With its X-Force Flex design and extendable tube, effortlessly reach every corner of your home without bending over. Experience the ultimate suction power of 200 air watts, perfect for various surfaces and even low light areas. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of continuous, uninterrupted cleaning with the X-Force 14.6. It's ideal for pet owners and car cleaning thanks to specialized accessories including the Animal LED Turbo Brush. Rowenta X-Force Flex 14.6 efficiency and flexibility at its best. Discover more about this exceptional product in our playlist.